What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Amazing A-Frames. And this week we got a lot of different new stuff for you, as well as also more 950 A-Frames as they start to arrive at Topperzstore, as I already mentioned the last weeks. And this is already one of those that we have available now as a 950 A-frame. And before we come to the 950 A-frames, I would like to start with a double pack, which is really special. It's for the 25th anniversary of the Subway series, and a lot of you guys were asking me, hey Pat, can you bring a hat where you have both logos from the New York teams on one hat? And of course, I mean, I was never thinking about that people are really looking for this, but it seems to be that there is quite a few people out there who want to have this for sure, and that's the reason why we made it, of course, because, you know, we at Topperzstore, we always listen to our community, and there we go. These are these two beauties, and there is one chrome, and by the way, we have a lot of chrome hats this week, because, I mean, this is a perfect hat for summertime. And look at this beautiful side patch, Subway Series 25th anniversary with both teams, with the colors. You have the New York Yankees and you have the New York Mets, and then you have both logos in the front, black and chrome, black snap on the back, gray UV, black guts on this one. And if you like more the black, really, how should I say, super classic version, right? Because you can wear this every day to your outfit. You have here the Mets and the Yankees logo in the front, and then you have this super crazy 25th anniversary of the Subway Series World Series. Black snap on this one, then you have a gray UV, black guts, and the New Era flag is on this one in white, and then the other one in black. So, as I already told you, we have a lot of chrome hats this week because there's large chrome collections are coming in, but don't you worry, we have a lot of different variety, and I will also show off a project that we did together with New Era on the Golfer, and oh my god, I love this hat, how it came out, because this is real vintage. But before we come to this, I would like to show off two more 950 A-frames that we are dropping this week, and this is for the NHL. Two very popular logos. We start with the Anaheim Ducks in this super classic colorway, current colorway. You got the 30th anniversary side patch here with some metallic details as well in the front, also with the metallic gold. This looks really nice, black and orange. You cannot go wrong with that. And then you got an orange snap on the back, gray UV, black guts. This is the Anaheim Ducks, and look at this beautiful hat. This is the first one. And the second one is probably one of the best logos in NHL of all time, right? I mean, I wanted to have that logo on so many hats back in the days, but it was not possible because it was a very long time only allowed for the team or for the team stores to do it. And now we can do it too. And this is great because the Lady Liberty logo is one of the best logos in hockey. And then you have here with the metallic silver details, this pops off really good on this black dome. 85th anniversary side patch, also with silver details. You got a black snap on the back, gray UV, and black guts. And watch out for all of you guys who love the 950 A-frame. There is more stuff coming soon. Okay, so let's go ahead to the basics, right? Because a lot of you guys are asking me, hey, can we also have like 940 A-frames, curved snapbacks without side patches? Of course. And we will also bring you more and more in this section. And first, I would like to show off one collection, which is like black and chrome, super classic with the black New Era flag on the side. And this will be available for multiple teams, also NFL teams, not only MLB teams. So I just wanted to show them off quickly here. You got the Detroit Lions, you got the Seattle Seahawks, you got the Philadelphia Eagles, then you got here the MLB ones from the Texas Rangers, and then, for example, also here from the St. Louis Cardinals. And this is just the beginning. More and more of these are popping up on the site over the next days and weeks. Okay, guys, so Before we come to that special golfer, I would like to show you another part of a collection that we are going to extend, because we had it like already like really 3 or 4 years ago when we started to make those first ripstop truckers. And I know a lot of you guys love the ripstop trucker, especially in summertime, because it's super light, super easy to wear, and I wouldn't say it's waterproof, right? But I don't know, if there is starting to rain or something like that, it's ripstop. Come on, the material is super nice. It's easy to wear because it's super light, and especially in summertime, this is super cool. And now we want to extend it for 3 NHL teams. The first one is, as you can see here, the front, right? So the front here is in ripstop with the button, super shiny material. This is the first one, no side patch for the Anaheim Ducks. All of these have black snapbacks and gray UVs and black guts. So we got the Anaheim Ducks. We got this beautiful Philly. Oh my God, Philadelphia Flyers. Look at this. This embroidery on this logo is always something different. It looks so accurate, it's crazy. And then, last but not least, another one, the Chicago Blackhawks. So you guys ask for more classic, simple, regular styles. And of course, we always try to deliver what you guys are asking to get. Okay, so let's go over to the golfer. And let me know in the comments below, have you already tried a golfer? Or maybe you don't know what a golfer is. And I would like to show it to you because this collection is really special. So we wanted to make a nice throwback hat, so chrome 2-tones, okay? And we did it for 4 different MLB teams, okay? And I would like to show this off to you because I really like how they came out. This is like more like a throwback style, unstructured in the front, but also those are like have this A-frame cut with the 5 panels, and they are super nice to wear in summer, especially because they are made of cotton, okay? So you got this Oakland A's in the classic traditional team colorway. We got this field green New Era flag. Then we got the A's logo in the front. You got the Oakland Coliseum side patch, and this is so beautiful. And then you also got the dark green snap on the back, gray UV, black guts. This is the first one, and as you can see inside here, you have this, how should I say, stabilizer sweat protection here. But at the end of the day, this is like unstructured, but not really heavily unstructured, because you have a kind of stiffness in here because of the 5 panel, but this is real vintage, really nice. And you can also curve those beauties, because I've already shown it multiple times in my story, and I will show one more over the next days how to curve a golfer, okay? And then you will see it. So the second one, Chicago White Sox with the 10th anniversary World Series champions 2005, black and chrome. All of these have gray UVs. Then this Yankees, I mean, this script is fantastic, isn't it? Subway Series side patch, it's really beautiful. And then you also have always the right colored snap on the back for this color combo dedicated to the brim and the button. Beautiful. And last but not least, and this is probably my favorite, maybe because copper is in there, but it's the regular copper from the team logo. But oh my God, I like that so much. This looks so fantastic. So this is the best one for me, at least in this pack. Arizona Diamondbacks with this beautiful D in the front, and then you got the inaugural season side patch. You cannot go wrong with this, and also black snap on this beauty. So this pack is going to be released this week at Topperzstore, and give it a try, and trust me, you will love these hats because they are really different. And I think, you know, I'm a truly 5950 guy. I'm not gonna lie, right? But I like those A-frames to wear. I like the 950 A-frame, and I'm falling more and more in love with these golfers because I also like the hitch. They look really vintage, and you know, it's like trendy, it's like really cool at the time to wear hats like this. And it also gives me a throwback vibe. And yeah, I like throwback vibes. Last but not least, because a lot of you guys in Europe love this logo, we also brought this Miami Heat logo on a black golfer because we thought this might be a real banger for summertime, and it looks really, really cool. A lot of hats, and there are coming even more, so check the site daily because we are releasing daily new heat, and we received really tons of new stuff. So check the site daily, and there are coming a lot of great hats, and maybe also from time to time a sneaky restock on the A-frames and on the fitteds, especially on Sunday. Let me know in the comments below what were your favorite hats of this week, which teams you would like to see next, maybe also which colors you would like to see next, because remember, we always listen, and watch out for my top 5 fitted hats of the week next Sunday here on the channel. And I would highly appreciate if you tune in next Monday in our live stream Cap Talk, because we got immense new stuff, right? And crazy hats. If you like those fitteds too, I would appreciate if you tune in. So I would like to thank you again for tuning in. And if you liked the video, hit the like button. And if you also have not subscribed so far to the channel, please also hit the subscribe button. It's totally free. It supports our work here, and you can join the greatest hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. Thank you guys very much for tuning in. As always, I hope you have a great week. I'm out. Bye.